Hello, this is your girl Sharon Rain coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, what I want to talk to you about today is that, oh my gosh, let me put this thing this way. What I want to talk to you about today is this product that I found. And folks, here's the deal. With the coronavirus, what they're saying is that, and it does make sense, right? It does make sense, trust me, that you ought to have your body well taken care of. Your immune system must be okay. And for me, I was kind of looking and checking, and then I realized that, oh my goodness, here is a company called HB Naturals. Here you go, folks. HBNaturals, all right. And but I'm gonna give you my link so you can look up all the amazing product that they have. Okay, you can look and see what it does. This is amazing. So folks, here's the deal. Now with the coronavirus, here is something that will detox you, build your immune system right here, like right here. Here, build your immune system. What am I doing? It's so hard to. Okay. But at any rate, folks, that's what I want to talk to you about. This product will build your immune system like nobody's business. And so all you need to do is that the boil, and the direction is on it. You boil like 4 cups of water. Once it boils, you turn your stove off, and then you take 1 tablespoon. See that? You hear that? 1 tablespoon, and you drop it in and leave it to seep for at least 2 hours. Okay, and then you drink it as needed. You drink it, but you have to finish that out for the day. Okay folks, so this will go a long way, and this is gonna detoxify you. It's gonna give you the energy that you need. It's like a booster shot, and this is the natural way. This is the organic way. There's no filler, there's no chemicals, there's no, what do you call it, all those stuff that's not good and healthy for you. Okay folks, so here's my motto. When it comes to your health, folks, I don't think we should put a price tag on it. All right, and this is not expensive. You can check it out. It is not expensive at all. It is very affordable. So folks, I'm gonna drop my link. Also, if you can hit the bell, and then as well as hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much folks. Again, this is Sharon Rain coming to you with this amazing product. Amazing product. Vitality. Okay, that's what it is. So folks, again, Sharon Rain, and I shall talk to you soon. Take care and stay safe, stay well, coronavirus free, and give yourself a booster shot. Okay folks, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.